Tires wearing out, one of the most major concern in every EV today. Mahindra EVs have been known to wear out their tires super quickly. At 4k kilometers, tires are bursting, there are cracks, the treads are disappearing. Well, I've driven my car for about 4,500 kilometers. Today, I'm going to measure the tread remaining in the rear tires and in the front. Since this is a rear wheel drive car, it is most likely that the rear tires are wearing out more. But in 4,000 kilometers, should they really be wearing out? Today we're going to find out exactly that. Hi guys, welcome back to Automobile Infos, and today I'm going to measure the tread remaining in my rear wheels and in my front wheels. I actually do not have any dedicated instrument to measure the exact tread length, but I'm going to use a scale and we're going to see how many millimeters of tread is remaining in the rear wheels and in the front. I actually do not expect there to be a lot of difference because I'm generally not an aggressive driver. But I've tried a couple of donuts, I've tried a couple of launches, so this is going to be interesting. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Also, as you can see, off-roading with these tires does this. I actually didn't take this too much off the road. It was just one time, and that too it wasn't proper hardcore off-roading, just a road that had some pebbles, and you can see that the tire is actually cut from here. This is not a big cut, so I'm not worrying about it too much. The rest of the tire, you can see, it's pretty fine. Now, I take this thing and I will stick it in the second from the outside and we'll actually see. You'll see that it is about up till here. So this much. So it's about this much in the front wheels, so about 3 lines. I will do it again up till here. Yep, that is right about 3 lines in the front wheels, and now we're going to see at the back. If I take it, then it is up till here, and it's about 2 lines at the rear. So there is a difference of 1 millimeter in the tread remaining in the front wheels and the rear wheels. This is not a huge difference, but considering that the wheels have only done 4,500 kilometers, I will actually see if I can find the tread that these come with. So of brand new tires, what is the tread length, and then we will see if these have worn out too much or if they've been fine. After some research online, I found that there is no exact measurement of how much the tread depth of brand new tires is, but it is supposedly somewhere about 7.5 to 8 mm, and the tread remaining in these is coming to about 6 to 7, so they've worn out 1 or 2 mm of depth, and I think that that is slightly more than it does in ICE vehicles. Because of the weight of the car and because EV tires are made from soft compounds, it is usual for them to wear out faster. Although there have been so many issues with tires that Mahindra needs to improve on the tire quality that they're delivering, MRF Marcus is still a lot better than Goodyear, and they've had a lot less issues than them. Goodyears have been getting punctured super easily. I have not faced a single puncture in my tire in 4,500 kilometers. So that is actually a good thing. That's it for this video. If it helped, then please give it a like. Comment down below what you'd like to see next. Subscribe to Automobile Infos for more such content. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe and have a happy journey.